Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in their comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price of the watch, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, so today I will be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36. This is a reference number 116234. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So for the dial, of course, same dial architecture as pretty much every Datejust. We have the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position there. Date 1 at the 3 o'clock position. What a beautiful Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal to magnify and have easier viewing of that date. The specific dial configuration I have in my hand, however, is the silver dial with index hour markers. The hour markers are fashioned in 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. And also around the edge of the bezel, you can see this sort of railroad tracking around the edge of the bezel with the Roman numerals highlighted at each hour marker as well. So very, very beautiful. The hands are luminous as well. As you can see, the white strips at the tips of each hand. The hands themselves are made of 18 karat white gold, so it's that 18 karat white gold with the luminous tippings, which allows for visibility in the dark and readability during the dark as well, as all the hour markers and the hands will glow in the dark. Now for the specific configurations you can get for this watch, as the Datejust is a dress watch, you can have this in numerous different configurations. So if you're not interested in the silver index, you can also get it in a Roman numerals or even diamond hour markers. Specifically for the index hour markers and the Roman numerals, you can get the dial colors of silver, black, blue, and white. For the diamond hour markers, if you're looking for diamond hour markers fashioned in 18 karat white gold as well, you can get that in the black or silver dial, and also blue as well. And for the more luxurious option, you want to go all out on the Datejust 36, you can get the mother of pearl diamond dial, where the hour markers are diamonds and the dial itself is mother of pearl, and the mother of pearl being either white mother of pearl or pink mother of pearl. There is one option for the Arabic numerals. If you're interested in Arabic numerals, you can only get that in the black dial. So those are all your choices for Datejust, which is quite a few choices compared to, Rolex sports pieces, which only have one or two different choices. So, of course, like I said, this is a dress watch. Alright, so moving on to the bezel now. The bezel is a 18 karat white gold fluted bezel. So it's a fixed bezel, so it doesn't change or shift in any way. But as you can see, it captures the light very nicely. As you can see, it kind of glistens and glitters from different portions of the bezel, so it has a nice eye-catching facial feature to the watch, as it will shine very beautifully. Along with that, the sunburst dial, you can see on the silver dial, different parts of it are contrasted, much more parts are highlighted, and some portions are darker. And that really adds a nice overall look to the watch. And that's paired very nicely as we move on to the case now with these high polished case lugs. So very beautiful, nicely bordering around the bezel itself. So just very nice use of high polish just throughout the overall face of the watch to bring a nice shine to it, make it very eye-catching and appealing. The case size, as stated, is a Datejust 36. So this is a 36 millimeter in diameter watch. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 36 millimeters in diameter. For the side profile of the case, you can see not too high of a profile, but beautiful high polish from the side of the case down to the sides of the bracelet. You can see on the other side as well, nice high polish. And then we have the Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. As we move on to the crown functions, a crown is just a simple twin lock, double waterproofing system. So it unwinds counterclockwise as shown. This is the standard position of the watch. This is where you can wind the watch. About 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started from a dead stop. Tugging your crown out to the next position will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously. As you can see at the 3 o'clock position, how easy it is just going clockwise. You can just adjust the date very quickly. And pulling the crown out to the final position, we'll stop that seconds hand. And that allows for precise time settings such as to an atomic clock on light instead of down to the exact seconds. And of course, adjusting hands bidirectionally to your liking. Pressing the crown back in, we'll start that seconds hand once more. And always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep that water resistance of 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now. Bracelet is a beautiful Jubilee style bracelet. This is Rolex's Jubilee bracelet. It's a 5-piece link bracelet, so 3 centerpiece links with 2 larger outer piece links. The 3 centerpiece links are nicely high polished and contrasting of that satin finish of the larger of the links. As you can see, it keeps that nice pattern throughout the whole watch. And very beautiful tapering, so it has very nice proportions from the front downwards. It fits very nicely on the wrist, and just that continuous Jubilee pattern just looks absolutely gorgeous throughout. The clasp is located here at the Rolex crown logo. It's called the concealed folding crown clasp. As you can see, I'm simply just pulling the crown portion of that will reveal these beautifully high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed on there. So that's how the watch looks opened up. And closed once more. So very, very beautiful patterning. Alright, moving on to the movement now. The movement is housed in this simple oyster case backing. The movement is Rolex's in-house made 3135 movement. This is a movement they've used for over 10-20 years now. It's a very tried and tested movement, also used in sports pieces as well, such as the Submariner and such. The movement is a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It has a precision of the -2 + 2 seconds a day, which is within Swiss specs. And the Rolex lets you know that by at the 6 o'clock position on the dial, they have the superlative chronometer officially certified there. The functions of the movement is you just see center, hour, minute, and seconds hand with the instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting, and the stopping of the seconds hand, as I've shown you with the crown functions. The oscillator is a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, which gives the watch a little bit of resistance to magnetism. And the power reserve of this watch is a 48-hour power reserve, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Alright, now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist. So I do have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. You can see there's going to be a little bit extra room here. Typically Rolex watches do fit a 7.5 inch wrist. The Datejust 36 is sort of a unisex watch. It's in between. It's before men used to wear 36mm watches. This is why the Datejust 36 existed, but now we have the 40mm, so everyone got a little bit bigger, so we have a little bit bigger watches now. And for the ladies, and if they wanted something a little more substantial than the 31mm, 31's too small, they want something that looks nice on the wrist, this is 36 is a perfect size for them. There's even some ladies out there that their boyfriends buy the 36 and just they wear it themselves. So you can see, very beautiful watch. Profile is actually not too high. That Jubilee pattern just going out throughout the wrist is very nice. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.